Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a 5-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, intermittent wipers, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find auxiliary audio input, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering, reclining seats, tilt steering wheel, cloth upholstery, dual airbags, adjustable headrests. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.